Hello fellow realtors, my name is Terri Johnson and I will be your guide through our upcoming Ninja installation. You know, I got to thinking that if you're going to spend 4 days with someone, that maybe you ought to know who that someone is and how you feel that you might connect with them. So I wanted to personally introduce myself. So at this point, typically we would insert a testimonial about a Ninja who's had really great success with the Ninja system. But in my case, that's going to be me. If you ever wonder why I'm a Ninja instructor and not selling real estate, it's because it changed my life and my business. Not only did I double my income for 4 years consecutively after my Ninja installation, but I substantially increased my income every single year after that, and I got my life back. We really do teach increase your income per hour so you can have a life. So we're going to focus on mindset, skill set, and actions. This allows for us to never have to prospect again, but instead have a steady flow of buyers and sellers that are coming toward me instead of me chasing every possible lead I can get my hands on. So often agents say the following. They have one of 3 reasons why they opt not to attend the installation. Well, you know, I've been in the business for a really long time and I've seen it all. I get that. I'd been in the business 11 years when I went to my first Ninja class. And as the days went on, the only thought that kept going through my mind was, if I'd only done this from day one. How about this one? I'm too busy. I don't have 4 days to sit in a class. I get it. I too thought, 4 days? Seriously? This might be the #1 reason that you want to take the 4 days and be in the installation. Have you ever felt slightly overwhelmed or just finding it hard to keep up? This was my #1 reason for deciding that I wanted to be on the Ninja path as an instructor. I wanted to show you, my friends, that you can have your life back, that you can have a process that works all the time, no matter the market. Lastly, here's one that gets us often. I'd love to go, I need it, but I simply can't afford it. If you've ever invested in yourself, now's the time. Find a way. So often, through our activities in the installation, agents get business during the installation that was created from the activities we did while we were there. And it more than pays for the investment in yourself. Do you want to get better? Do you want to have a life? Do you want to create value for your customers that keeps them coming towards us? I look forward to meeting you. I'll see you soon.